Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are uncovering a tiny line of text that can save you hours of debugging. Use strict. It looks small, but trust me, it's a superhero. Let me show you why. Well, strict mode is a special mode in JavaScript that makes your code behave, well, strictly. It helps you catch error early, forces better habits, and prevents JavaScript from doing weird things behind your back. Think of it like your code saying, hey, I want to be clean, safe, and predictable. Okay, imagine this. You mistype a variable name. Instead of JavaScript yelling at you, it quietly creates a new global variable, and your code breaks later in a completely different place. Strict mode says, no, I am not letting that happen. It stops silent errors, it forces you to write cleaner code, and it makes debugging way easier. Here's an example with strict mode. Pizza equal cheese, console.log, pizza. This works, even though we forgot to write let or const. JavaScript creates a global variable automatically, which is super dangerous. Well, now let's use a strict. The same example. Now JavaScript says, reference error, pizza is not defined. Well, this is good news. It tells us exactly where the mistake is. Strict mode protects you from so many tiny mistakes. Here are a few. Using reserved keywords. Like for example, let private equal 10. Private is a reserved keyword. Without strict, it would work. Let's try with use strict. Yeah, an error. Accidentally deleting something important, like delete an object. It won't work. Basically, strict mode is the friend who stops you from making bad decisions. You usually put it at the very top of your file, before any code. For now, you don't need strict mode in every project, but when you are learning, that's a great habit. JavaScript already uses strict mode automatically in things like modules and classes, so you will be using it a lot later, without even thinking about it. So to summarize, use strict catches silent errors, makes your code cleaner, prevents dangerous behaviors, helps you debug faster, great for beginners and pros. And that's a strict mode, a tiny line that gives you a huge protection. Next, we will continue building that solid JavaScript foundation. See you in the next video.